Hi, I'm Lee for LCD Heating. I'm just going to show you how to top up your boiler if you've got a keyed filling link. First of all, always check your pressure, and then if that's dropped down into the red, you can then top it up. So topping up these boilers, first of all, you'll have a flap underneath here. You just need to pull it forward and it will come off. On the flap, you've got a keyed link here. Basically just pull it off and that should get your key. As you can see, it's like a light bulb. It's got a wee fitting, a wee bayonet fitting there, and you need to put this into your link in there. A wee tip is to put some grease on the O-rings and it'll go in a lot easier. So just like you would the light bulb, you put it into the link, push it up as far as you go, and then start turning it clockwise at the same time that you're pushing it, and it'll go in. You'll then feel it stop, and to make sure that it's in place, give it a wee pull and it'll stay. So now you're ready to fill the boiler back up. Open the wee white knob beside it, turn it anti-clockwise, and you'll hear some water going through. But remember, when you're doing that, also keep an eye on the pressure gauge to make sure you don't over-pressurise it. So once you're done, you then go back to the keyless link and shut it over. And to get the key out, just do the opposite of what you just done. Turn it anti-clockwise and give it a wee shuggle. You'll get water coming out it because the water passes through the key. Don't worry about that. And that's you, and that's how you can top up